Nandita Dade from Bharati Krishna Vidya Vihar, Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am studying in class 8th A. Our topic for today's presentation is Agritech. This is the working model which is based on sustainable development in agriculture. Let's see the materials which we have used in our model. Waste sweet box, straws, mount board for the base, disposable egg box, straws, box board for making windmills, newspapers and curtains for making the terrace. We have also shown some methods of farming in this model like shifting cultivation, commercial farming, plantation agriculture, which is a type of commercial farming under which we have shown banana cultivation, terrace farming under which we have shown tea cultivation and coffee cultivation. Now my friend Aryan will give you the further information.
I am Aryan Muni. I study in class 8th. Agritech is the concept for applying modern technologies in agriculture sector for enhancing agriculture production and to provide livelihood security to the farmers. In this working model, we have used sustainable methods of agriculture like windmills, solar panels, drip irrigation system, sprinkler system, artificial tank and well.
Here we have used drip irrigation system and sprinkler irrigation system which gets the energy generated by the windmill and solar panel, and these two gets water from the tank which can be used as a rainwater harvesting. We can use these two methods in the areas where there is a scarcity of water. These two methods of irrigation can be used to minimize wastage of water and avoid exploitation of water. Apart from these renewable resources, we also have two devices, EcoStone and EcoTrone. EcoFrost is the device which is a cold storage which works on solar panel. EcoDrone is a pump controller irrigation device which also works on solar panel. In the hilly areas, we can use the device namely SALT with SALT technology, which stands for Sloping Agriculture Land Technology. It is a sustainable method of cultivation used in heavy rainfall areas. The farmers can also use the mobile-based application for agriculture activities. With these modern techniques and renewable sources of energy, we can bring prosperity in the sustainable development in agriculture. Now, let's see the working of the model.
Thank you.
Thank you.